Hey guys, so I have been filming some footage over the last few days. It was us going to pick out a Christmas tree and do a few other little holiday preparation things. Not necessarily Thanksgiving prep. I expected to put up a video today with some kind of cleaning and Thanksgiving prep, and that just did not work out. So I'm going to post this video today. I'm hoping you guys are going to get the kitchen tour tomorrow if all goes well. And then after that you guys will see my Thanksgiving vlog and we'll move into more Christmas stuff. But you guys are going to see in this video a little bit of footage of us getting the tree, some sort of day in the life footage leading up to that, and then you guys are going to see the completed Christmas tree. So that's what this video is. It might be a little bit disjointed, but hopefully you guys will enjoy it. So here we go. So as we're getting closer to the holiday season, I am constantly getting packages at my doorstep because Amazon Prime is just so easy to ship from. This time I got my subscribe and save order, and I'm actually still waiting on a couple more boxes, I think, but let me show you what I get pretty much every month. I just have this set up to automatically ship once a month, and it's all my household products basically. So I get a box of tissues every month. Now this arrived damaged because they shipped it in one of these soft-sided packaging things. So this came like kind of crushed and open on the end. The product's still fine, but I sent them a little thing and they refunded me the money based on this. But the tissues are still fine, so we're going to use them. Basically free tissues. I've got my toilet paper for the month. I just recently started doing this, and it's much more affordable than just buying it as we run out, just to get the whole month's worth at once. We love the Scott Comfort Plus, so I got that. In this big box, we've got our 2-month refill supply for our Tidy Cats Breeze system. I've talked before, I think, about the Tidy Cats Breeze system. It's pellet litter and little pee pads. It's a pretty cool little product, but this is enough litter for 2 months and enough pads for 2 months. So obviously we get that sent here on a every other month basis. The toilet paper comes once a month. The tissues come once a month. And then this comes twice a month. No, not twice a month, every other month. The ginormous thing of Tide Pods. Actually, I think that comes every 3 months. I'll have to double check, but so we are all stocked up. Essentially, I'm getting the majority of my household products now through Amazon, subscribe and save, and save a little bit of money that way, and I don't even have to think about it. Like, I don't have to pay attention to if we are close to running out of toilet paper because it just automatically sends it. It sends me an email telling me my shipment is due to arrive soon, so I can look over the shipment information, and if I see that Tide Pods are coming but I don't need them yet, I can push them back a month. They'll come next month, and it works out great. So I'm going to get this stuff put away, but I just thought I'd share that with you. Alright, you guys. Well, it is Monday, the Monday before Thanksgiving in the evening. Eric just got home from work, and we are actually on our way to go hunt for a Christmas tree. We don't know if we're going to do a real tree or a fake tree or what we're going to do. We're going to go and look at our options. We have a gift card for Menards from doing some rebates when we were redoing the kitchen and the living room and all that, and we bought all of those building supplies and stuff. So that's what we're going to use to get our tree, but we've never gotten our tree from Menards, so I don't know what the selection's going to be like, so we're going to go and check them out. We're going to look at the real ones, we're going to look at the fake ones, we're going to see what we can find, what kind of deals we can get, and I'm going to take you guys along with me.
Woo! Let's put it up tonight to get Chinese food!
What do you think?
I mean, I don't mind either way.
Alright.
I want you to play.
Almost.
So close.
Hi.
I have a few, like 4 inches on you.
Yeah, you're tall. I gotta take a step back to get you in the frame. That's pathetic. Alright, you guys ready to go get a tree?
Don't worry, Austin's still short.
I'll keep it up and I'll do it when you go.
Frosty.
It's a ginormous Frosty. I want it.
Let's go down here.
You get tacos. Oh, what's this?
Got cinnamon broom.
So if
It's no
I hit
fun unless
Austin
there's
with
cookies
it,
in
it
it.
smells like cinnamon.
Alright, so for the Eccentric Christmas Village, I guess, you can have a Taco Bell. You can have a UFO abducting a cow. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the glare. You've got, what is this? A construction plant, a Pepsi factory. This is, what is this? Wally's service station, a Piggly Wiggly. And then you have the train station, which is a little bit more normal. Hotel for you.
Country Inns and Suites, a nuclear power plant.
That's what my Christmas village is missing. I don't know about you.
I think this is a brewery.
A brewery and is that a dog food manufacturer?
Yeah, quality dog
There
food.
you go.
And they had
Everything you need.
And they had like a
and
school
a
bus
billboard.
repair back there with school
You
buses.
can get billboards also.
And billboards. So there you go.
You missed
Menards.
the Starbucks.
Oh, did I miss the Starbucks?
Yeah.
All the stuff back here.
Where's the Starbucks?
Behind the Taco Bell.
Ah, here we go.
And then the-
Starbucks and
Bus.
the bus garage. School bus
They do not
garage.
have a Tim Hortons, therefore I am boycotting.
Yeah, that's the reason we're not going to get one, because there's no Tim Hortons. Not because this is at all a little too eccentric for our taste.
And a little expensive.
And a little expensive too, yeah. So this is the level of chaos that I woke up to this morning. We were up until after midnight last night working on this gorgeousness, but it left me with quite a mess to deal with. Unfortunately, I don't have time to deal with it right now. I'm walking out the door to a doctor's appointment, but you can bet the tree will be finished today. Still a lot of work to do there. And all of this giant mess will get cleaned up, because it's the day before Thanksgiving. So I am currently in a very long Tim Hortons drive-through line on what is possibly the dreariest day of the month. But it's 8:30, my appointment is not until 9, so I've got some time. So I'm gonna go and get a cup of coffee before I head over there. Alright, so I am here at my appointment now. It's only 8:45. I feel like there's two types of people in the world. There's the type of people that are chronically early for things, like myself, and then there's the people that show up late. Well, I guess there's three types of people. There's also the people that just arrive on time, but I'm one of those people that always shows up early to everything, because I like to allow myself extra time in case of traffic or, you know, whatever. So I'm going to sit here in the parking lot for the next 15 minutes because my appointment is the first one of the day. They don't even open until 9, which is my appointment time. So I'm going to enjoy my coffee and maybe write a little to-do list. Figure out everything I need to get done today because it's a lot. Sorry, there's people looking at me. I guess it's a little weird to sit in an empty parking lot of a doctor's office and film yourself, but it's just what I do. Alright, you guys, the tree is finished, I think, and it is so beautiful. Definitely different than anything that I have ever done before. I love this star. It's got a little motor in it and it spins, and so it projects the light up onto the ceiling. And it's all, oh, hi. It is all blue and gold and silver. I've got this gorgeous ribbon that I picked up at Big Lots with the silver and gold trees. And then this one here with the blue and gold. All the little details. I think it's just so gorgeous. Like I said, definitely more of a sort of like designer tree look. Not designer tree, but you know, like a theme tree. Which is definitely different than the hodgepodge we typically do. But Austin puts up a tree in his room, and I think we're going to go with more of a colorful theme in there, with like colored lights and a lot of our special ornaments that we've made over the years. So this is definitely different, but I think it's gorgeous. So let me know what you guys think. Now,
There you go.
there's this mess to deal with.
No, I'm good.
Alright, well, I got everything tidied up a little bit. I still need to sweep in here, obviously. There's still laundry that needs to be folded, but it's looking a lot better. Our tree looks so beautiful. So, I'm going to go ahead and end this here. I will see you guys again soon. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe so that you catch all the Vlogmas videos throughout the month. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!